All right, it's been a little while since I did a video of the sky and our hazy weather modification here in Erie, Pennsylvania. Whoops, still recording? Okay, we're good. Sorry about that. It's been a while since I got some outside footage, and I gotta do that. It's been what happened last week? That's why I need to do more videos because then I forget what the weather was like, and that's why it's so easy to forget. And there's some people that forgets also. You look at this for the weather, and then as it gets closer to day, they'll change it. So so it's like people will look ahead and say, I can make a video like this saying that the weather's going to be whatever it said it was, or it could I could say, you know how I say there's a weekly weather pattern where every Saturday and Sunday it rains. Well, then, for example, a person goes on to here, looks at the Erie, PA weather, goes over. What do you mean? Saturday's partly sunny, Sunday's partly sunny, still with a thunderstorm in the area. Or the Sunday or the weekend after that, mostly sunny and humid. Mostly sunny and humid, and then sunny and humid. And then they'll forget what they saw as the weather did, that what they saw the weather was going to be for that day. And then once the weather comes, they won't question it. You got to think. They always set the weather way ahead to look good, and then once it gets close, they'll switch it. Anyway, I was talking about the weather. I think, what was it? Sunday was actually, thank God, it was actually kind of decent, sunny. Saturday it rained in the morning, and I think the weather was all right after that. Today it's hazy. Maybe I'll try and do a video after this, but I wanted to try the new screen recording because that makes it a lot easier to be able to do some of these videos. So, this is what our weather's looking like for this week. Today's Tuesday. It's supposed to be 86. And now with this hurricane, I think it's a tropical storm now, but now with that going on, it's a good excuse for rain, 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 rain. Even though last weekend was pretty nice and we just had a tiny bit of rain on Saturday, I can say we haven't had a week without at least it drizzling, raining a little bit. I've been watching here in Erie, PA, and it rains at least once a week, at least, and it's more like twice a week probably, and it's usually on the weekends. That's the pattern. Last weekend was just a freak, pretty much, but it did still rain at least. I don't think we've gone that I know of this year. I don't think we've gone a weekend where it didn't at least rain either Saturday or Sunday. At least rain once on Saturday or Sunday every single week so far this summer. It's like, okay, that's why our ground has been so saturated. And I mentioned before that if we get a really heavy torrential rain, enough of those, then we could be flooded out here because the ground can't take a whole bunch of water. Eventually, it's going to run out of capacity and it's going to start flooding. And I'll show you what I mean with rain all the time. Today, humid with periods of clouds and sunshine, a thunderstorm on the prowl this afternoon. And the way they write these, who gets the idea of on the prowl. And then, since they got the little cyclone, a little weather modified cyclone, or bomb cyclone, whatever the heck they call them anymore. A couple of heavy showers and thunderstorms from tropical rainstorm. Storms can bring flooding, damaging winds, and even a tornado. This is the pattern that I've been noticing as well, and I wanted to get this documented. They've been saying when we have regular rainstorms, they kept having these, with their little write-ups, they would say some rain in the afternoon. Hail can accompany any downpour. And now their new thing, it doesn't even have to be that a tropical storm's coming through. If it's just a regular rainstorm, sometimes they were right, even a tornado. Now, I don't know if you've seen the articles talking about how they're saying, oh, the tornado alley's extending further. You're playing with the weather to make it extend further. Now, thank God, the last time we've had a tornado in the Erie area, it's been at least 5 years, and it was an EF0. But they've been pushing so hard, I know, trying to make a tornado here. That's why they keep putting even a tornado in there, so you won't question it. You won't question it if a tornado comes through. They want so badly to cause a tornado in this area, so we always pray that does not happen. So thank God for that. Thank God for keeping the tornadoes away. But I know something is coming because I've had so many dreams. I don't, it could be a night too that I see nothing tornado related. I didn't, and I will have a dream. It's either where we're at a local park and there's a tornado, so we take shelter, or the other instance is it's me and either my mother or father driving, and then in the field there'll be a tornado. I've had so many dreams since I was little. I keep having dreams. That's why I know God has given me those dreams for a reason, to show me that this is what's coming to this area. Or at least they're trying to cause this area to start having tornadoes. I mean, it's crazy. They're always so realistic too. Such realistic tornado dreams. It's absolutely crazy. Okay. Thursday, rain. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that's a big fat lie. But you see what I mean. Once it gets closer to the day, so since these, like Thursday's only a couple days away. Wait, hold on. Since like Wednesday and Thursday are really close, then they start showing the true weather, what it's going to be like. But when you look at the extended forecast, it makes it look like it's going to be better. So of course, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, look at sunny. Oh, they actually do show rain for there. But look at most of these. Most of these are sunny. I guarantee at least that's this and this won't happen. Saturday and Sunday, heck no. Maybe during the weekday, more likely when we're at work. Then what I've noticed is when we get home, like right after that, it starts to get dark and hazy. Like right now though, it is hazy and it's early in the day and it's a weekday. But it's not uncommon for it to be nice and sunny during the work weekdays early, and then as it gets more towards people getting out of work, then the hazy weather modification comes in, and sometimes it even rains too. It's just the same pattern. I mean, really, it may not be the same pattern for everybody, but really look and pay attention. I've noticed the pattern here, and I know it's not normal. It's not just unpredictable weather, because it's predictable weather. It's the same pattern. That's why I've noticed it. It's like, okay, if weather is not predictable, then how come there's that pattern that seems very predictable? There's a few here and there where there's a few times here and there where it doesn't follow that pattern, just to make someone like me look like I'm off my rockers. When really, if you pay attention, there is a pattern. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless. Bye-bye.